So I've been working on this Lincoln a little bit, trying to tune it up just right, and it's taken me about a week, and I finally got it tuned quite nicely. That engine is running very smooth. It's idling very, very smooth, and it's not blasting a bunch of gases out of the tailpipes. It's very gentle. It doesn't appear, I don't hear any strange bumping noises or irregular rhythms. So I feel like I'm not having any little tiny misfires or anything right now in that 460. And when I first got it, it was blowing black smoke. It was bumping. And a whole bunch of steam and stuff was coming out of here. Yeah, we had a storm today and a damn wind blew the cover off, so it got dumped on. Unfortunately. Yeah, it's running a lot better. Now I have to work on vacuum leaks. I found one. So these front hideaway headlight covers are vacuum actuated, and I think I found the vacuum reservoir right under here. And it looks like there's a hole in it, so I don't know what the hell what the deal is with that. And this has these really cool cornering lights. And then on this side, the cornering light is out, so I want to fix that. And I want to fix these vacuum leaks, because right now the carburetor is sucking a vacuum. It's creating a vacuum for a vacuum reservoir in the vacuum actuator, and it's closing these lights. So we got good vacuum right now. But once I shut the car down after about 10 hours or so, these lights, these doors start to slowly open up. So if you fix that vacuum leak, it'll stay like this, it'll stay down for a month. So there's an actuator down there, and then there's what looks like a coffee can right under here, under the hood. And that, I noticed that one of the vacuum lines going in from the carburetor, going into that vacuum reservoir, it will, it's the hoses are bad. So I got to fix those hoses, and it's kind of something else I got to work on.